Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollars. Today I'm going to be playing in my Tiny Tuesday binder and my Penpal binder, so let's get into it. Alrighty, so if anyone is new here, hello, welcome. Thank you for joining this video. So the way I do this challenge, this is for my cash budgeting that I do on this channel. So if you're not familiar, cash budgeting is a way to save money. And on Tuesdays, I play with these tiny little challenges here and put all of this money that I save once I complete the challenge towards some sinking funds for my daughter's expenses for the next, well, I actually just put the money away as soon as I get it, instead of waiting until the end of the month. But that is what we are doing here. I know it can be a little bit confusing if you're just coming in. You're like, what the heck is going on here? So if you're unfamiliar with cash budgeting, it's a whole system of saving your money and budgeting your money. And it's really fun. We make it fun with these little challenges that we do, and it's a great time. So definitely consider subscribing, consider doing your own budgeting this way. It makes it so much more motivating for me personally, and it's really helped me get a system that works for me. It's not perfect, but it definitely helps. So this first challenge that we're doing today is by weekly budgets, and we needed $2 to finish. We got that, so we have $6 now that we can put away today. So I'm just going to mark 6 on here, and we're going to set this aside. I am going to put it away right away today because we need the funds. So 1, 2, 3 is what we got for this one with Bookish Mama Budgets. And so we still have one more roll and save to go on that one. We didn't get anything for Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets, who made this little challenge for us. And then let's see, this one is a little scratch off from Agape Book Club. So let's scratch and see what we got. All right, $2. Perfect. That's exactly what we got. That is funny how it's working out that way. We didn't get anything for Secret at the Secret Budgeter, so we do have a couple dollars over here left over. We'll see if we can put those towards anything. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for Toria's budgets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so that one still has a bit to go. Let's see, what should we do? Let's finish Bookish Mama Budgets here with $2. Because this one has quite a bit of money, and I did just use most of the money that is available in Aria's binder for, what was it? We went to the movies this weekend. We went and saw Super Mario Galaxy. I think that's what it's called, right? Which was so cute. Yoshi was my favorite. He was so adorable. And what else did we do? We went to the skate rink. So I got Aria some skates for her birthday, and she has been loving that. And so last time that she was with me over the weekend, we went to the skate rink for the first time, and she did struggle a little bit. This time it went a lot better for her. So, but we did spend a decent amount of money there. So I pulled that money out of her binder here. All right, for this challenge with Bookish Mama Budgets, we got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So let me go ahead and mark that on here. So cute. I didn't even see the back of that at first. That's adorable. All right, and then we got $6 with this one. So that is $27 total to put away. And I think I'm going to put most of it in, let's see, I pulled from these 3 envelopes. So let's refund these a little bit. Let's do 10 in her general category here. And then let's do 10 for clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, let's do 7 for clothes. Let's do 5 for school. She always has stuff going on at school. Let's do a couple for her college fund. This is right around $200, I think. Let's do a couple for her birthday. And let's do 1 for back to school. So I'm funding mostly her main category here and clothes, because that's where I pulled from, and her school category here. I pulled all of the money out of these envelopes for our weekend spree of fun that we had. All right, now moving over to my pen pal binder here, I have $100 to save today, mostly in 5s and 1s. I do have a 20 here that I need to figure out what to do with that. So hopefully we'll be able to put that somewhere. But we're going to roll a D12 for this. All of this money goes towards saving for my upcoming trip to France. And so let's see. Oh, I guess we don't need to even worry about challenges yet. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to be putting the money in here first. So I did buy my tickets for my trip, guys. So that ended up being way more expensive than I had planned for. So I had to kind of finagle some things. I had to pull money out of my yearly savings binder, and where else did I pull from? I can't remember, but I pulled all the money out of this that I had saved with some of these challenges already. So if you notice a difference there, that's why my tickets were just a little bit more expensive than I had planned once we had all the fees and all of that. But our tickets are purchased. So now our focus is going to be on funding everything else for the trip. So dining out and souvenirs and everything else. So hopefully we will be able to continue to save through July, through the month of July. That's when we're leaving. And we'll get a good amount of savings done before our trip actually comes. So that's the goal. We'll see how it goes. All right, we got 6. I'm gonna have to make some change with this 20. Hold on one second. All right, there we go. All right, so 11, 5, 10, 11. And then Alexis is getting 4. So how are you guys doing though? How's your week been so far? I hope you guys are having a great week. It is halfway through April, which just seems so unbelievable to me. I just feel like the months are flying by this year and I cannot get ahead of all the things. Okay, so starting here with Greta from Agape Book Club. Let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and knock this one out, and maybe this one. All right, so we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. So we'll take this one. This one is done. Put this one back. All right, all of these ladies have Ko-fi shops where you can get these challenges. They have most of them for free. Some of them are for members only, but go check them out if you like anything that you see, because a lot of them are freebies. 5, 10, 11, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to start a different challenge instead of that one, because that one was a rollover. I did pull the money from it. So let's just start this new one. Let's just do 12 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. All right, so I do feel the pressure is on, guys, because like I said, my tickets were a lot more expensive than what I had planned for. And, you know, it's fine. You know, we had money elsewhere to pull from, but 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, we can do 15 right here with this one from the Cafecito budget. And so I do feel like the pressure is on to save for the rest of the components of the trip, which is a decent amount of stuff to save for. I did already pay for the Disney trip that we're taking, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for our lodging and the train ride up and back. So that was a big one. All right, let's do this 4, and that 1. But then other things, let's see, just like money for eating out while we're there, anything that we want to buy while we're there, that kind of stuff, you know. All right, next we have this one from, oh wait, no, that's from Budget with Amanda. Hold on. This is in the wrong envelope. What? Okay, there's one from Secret. We got the SpongeBob Mr. Krabs. Is that what his name is? Mr. Krabs? I wasn't allowed to watch SpongeBob as a kid, actually, so I don't really know all the characters. I obviously know SpongeBob and Patrick, but is it Mr. Krabs? Mr. Krabby? I don't know. Anyways, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, so this one is by Secret Budgeter. And then next we have Toria's budgets here. Let's do this adorable froggy one that she just sent me for her March membership. We got, what did we get? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh no, these are different. Oh well, we'll just make each one $1. Wait, so we actually have finished this one with, wait, 3, 15. Yep, with 15. And then we have $1 left over. Let's do another one here. Let's do this one. All right, we have, oh, we'll just roll this one over because the books are 2, the flowers are 3 and 4. Okay, perfect. That's so cute. Isn't this frog so cute? And she sent me this little binder insert, which is also so adorable. All right, next, Tour's Cash Corner. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Knitting is cheaper than therapy. Do you guys knit? I did cross stitch for a while when I was like 11. I loved it. And I haven't done it in so long, but it is so fun. I just never know what to do with the things when I'm done with them, you know? All right, and then we have weekly budgets with this Spread the Love frog. We got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need one more for this one. So we'll put that one back. Oops. All right, so we're back on the grind with our pen pal binder here. Hopefully we can make some good progress with our travel binder. I do kind of need to like restart it. So all of this is gone. All this money is gone. I have $1 or $2 here, I guess, but our flights are paid for. So we don't need to worry about those anymore. So let's see what we can do. That one gets 5. This one gets 5. This one gets 5. This one gets 7. 5, 6. Oh, I don't have, actually, I do have $1 here. I'm just going to make it 7 for this. I don't know that we need to fund lodging anymore, actually. I think I'm going to take this out because we got our hotel for Disney already. No, I need to pay, I don't know, guys. I'm still gonna work on it because if all else fails, we will just use this for something else. But I think I need to pay like the other half of the Disney stuff as we get closer to it. So that is what we are gonna do. I can't remember where I pulled it from. Activities, maybe? Yeah. So I need to refresh my mind about what's going on with that, but this is done. So I'm going to clean all these things off and I'm going to like adjust it so that, you know, it's accurate. But also this binder is available in my Etsy store. It is, I can't remember how much, like $30 some. So you can go get your own version of this. It comes in this pink set with the envelopes and the trackers, and it comes with as like a black and white option as well. So if you don't like the pink, you can get white envelopes with just white and black trackers. So super adjustable for what you need. And if you want custom categories, you can always reach out and let me know. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.